Good morning, Gladiators. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Today is March 1st, Monday. So we're going to continue on with our endangered species project, and we are currently on day 5. We're going to talk about current threats. So we're going to think about cause and effect, and to learn about the greatest threats to the survival of wildlife in the United States. And this link will take you to some of the different threats that our wildlife is facing right now, and you can click on each link to learn more. So if you think about cause and effect, the cause of why something happens would be the cause. The effect is what happens as a result. Whales are endangered. That is the result. And the two causes, or there's many causes, but two causes are that more than 88 pounds of plastic was found in a whale's stomach when it died. This is a specific example. The whale starved to death because of the plastic in its belly. So pollution of our oceans would be a cause of our whales being endangered. Now there are laws that prevent whaling from occurring, but because commercial whaling was so popular, it killed millions of whales, and it made them, using them into lamp oil or lubricants or cosmetics or meals. And because of this whaling, this hunting of whales, the effect was that they are now endangered. And some signal words you could use: so, as a result, because, consequently, due to, and which caused, when you are writing your current threats paraphrased paragraph. And here are some 11 causes for endangered species: destruction of habitats, change in natural living conditions, hunting, fishing, pollution, insufficient reproduction rate, invasive species, genetics, disease, degree of specialization, and conflict between wildlife and humans. And I have provided some descriptions of each of these causes for our endangered species. And so there are 5 photos here. The tusks of rhinos, trees being cut down, deer in an urban area, mussels that have invaded our beaches, and of course plastic. Now going back to the slide that lists all 11 causes, which cause would represent each 5 of these effects? And you would do the same thing for these scenarios. So which cause would be the result of each scenario? The dodo bird used to live on an island, but sailors landed on the island in the 1700s. They killed many for food. Over time, there were fewer and fewer birds until there were none left in existence. And so what caused? So we went back to the slide that lists the causes, these 11 causes. Which one of these would represent that scenario, the cause of that scenario? Okay, so then go ahead and take a moment and read all 4 scenarios and see if you can match the effect with the cause. Then you could take a moment and watch this video about how all of these animals are endangered, and see if you can determine what the cause is of their endangerment. So go ahead and press pause and take a time to watch that video and complete the activities. And then I'd like for you to complete the current threat banner in your project. Now remember, if you move back out of the daily folder, in this weekly folder, you will find the project banner assignment. I don't have it there just yet because we're still in week 24 and we're working on it. And then here you will find part 3 to our refugee project that we're going to start tomorrow. Today we're going to finish our part 2. So we have chapter 12 to read. It is the last chapter. We're going to read chapter 12. And then you're going to finish this part 2 slide project and submit it. Tomorrow we'll work on part 3 where you found you saw it in the folder, and you can find part 2 in that folder as well. And that's all I have for you today, Gladiators. I hope you have a wonderful day.